Hey everyone, it is Mom Hack Monday, and I'm here to give you a simple, easy tool to help support your immune system or your kid's immune system. So what we're gonna do today is make an Immunity Plus rollerball because, you know, frankly, I'm hearing a lot of talk about a lot of people needing immunity support because the crud is going around. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab, for me, I'm gonna grab a old frankincense bottle and we're gonna reuse it. So an easy way to get this off is by using the cap, and you just grab it off like that, okay? So we're gonna make an Immunity Plus rollerball. What's gonna be in it is frankincense, thieves, lemon, purification, and we're gonna add oregano to help really support your immune system when you're feeling run down, okay? So first, let's do frankincense. Frankincense is great for supporting your immune system, and we're gonna do 25 drops. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 25 drops of frankincense. Now, thieves. If you know anything about me, you know I absolutely love thieves. So 25 drops. 5, 6, 7. All right. So thieves is amazing for supporting your immune system, and you can find research that helps support information about showing you how well it really does support your immune system. Next is purification. So purification is a great oil that helps also support your immune system. It is one that I definitely underused for a while, but I have learned to embrace it and use it so much. Then we're gonna add some lemon. We're gonna do 25 drops of lemon as well. 3, 4, I'm not good at talking and counting at the same time. So, okay, so in here, in an old frankincense bottle, I have 25 drops of frankincense, 25 of thieves, 25 of purification, and 25 of lemon. Now, what's gonna make it, and that's your basic immunity rollerball. All of those you can find in the premium circuit, but what's gonna make it the plus is oregano, okay? Oregano, therapeutic essential oil made by Young Living, is very, very, very potent. So I'm only gonna add 10 into this bottle, okay? Everything else we added 25, but oregano we're only adding 10 because of it affects so well. One more. Okay, then, so this is what I have, okay, you can see it. Then the rest I'm gonna fill with coconut oil. Okay, and then Young Living makes these amazing toppers, okay? You put it on here, and then next you screw it on, and that's it. So then now I have an Immunity Plus roller, okay, that you can just roll on you as you need. So I want to give this away to somebody, and because I know so many of my friends are fighting the crud, you really need your immunity support. So what you can do is you can comment why you would want to win this, and then tag at least 1 or 2 people that you feel that could use essential oils in their everyday life. So you might be thinking that you don't have, you know, essential oil extra bottles, and you don't have these, you know, unique special tops. You don't need them. You could buy a glass roller ball from Amazon, really, really cheap, and make your own from there. Basically, those come in anywhere between 3 mLs to 10 mLs, and they are very inexpensive, and they come in a big pack usually off of Amazon. I'll put a link to a brand that I really like. So that is my Mom Hack Monday. Support your immune system and be excited because we're gonna talk about the benefits of aromatherapy, especially focused around frankincense. So I'm gonna give away this roller ball. Trust me, you want it. So tag and tell me why you would wanna use it. All right, have a great day, guys. Happy Monday.